guys, I was just on Haley Aaron's channel. I will put hers in the description. Just copy it and paste or type it in. But I won't put that in the description. Just check out her channel. It's called Haley Aaron. But I have some special things today. So I have this cute little egg I will play on. I bought these at the dollar store. And then I have this giant egg with Play-Doh on it. And I want you to see what's in this egg. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to start with first is this cute little egg. Okay. So I'm going to take off the top. Wait, I'm going to take off this Play-Doh. I'm going to put it. What I do is I put the Play-Doh in the egg. And I'm just going to go put the egg over there. It's not professional. Okay, put the other egg. Blurb! Okay, so I don't know what to do with Blurb. I've heard of it. I've seen it. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. I bought the banana one. And I don't know how to get it out, but Blurb is very fun. Not with Play-Doh. It's kind of sticky. It's like goo. See? This Blurb isn't looking. I got it at the dollar store just now. I will be doing videos on that. It's supposed to come out easier than this, but this is the best I can get out. It goes everywhere. I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this. Ugh. When you get it in, like just go like that and then get it in. It's fun to play with. And then I'm sorry. I know you guys want a big surprise. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this out one more time. Okay, so you can see my hands are all dirty. I'll go pick that up in a sec. Okay. Blurb is very fun. So my hands are all sticky and dirty. So just look at the big egg. Okay, guys? So, look. Okay, so you guys were waiting for this. Well, I couldn't find one last year or this year. It's not the first year, but I'm going to take off all this play. I've seen it on all of these other channels. Oh, this is actually coming up better than I thought. Okay, let me go put that Play-Doh up there. Okay, that's a lot of Play-Doh. Wouldn't even fit the whole egg. Okay, so now I'm going to open this egg. Okay, what I got is the stuff I got before from the dollar store. So the first thing I'm going to open is this trash pack. I had scissors with me. Oh, they're right over here. So professional. Okay, so I'm going to open this. This is Series 7. I don't even have Series 1. Well, I do have two up there. Up on my shelf. Okay, so this is Series 7 trash pack. Junk green. Okay, so I'm going to open it up to show you. This is my first one ever. So I'll buy more. Just in the comment button. So it comes from two called trash packs. And my thing is at the bottom. I didn't buy very many things. series on the summer. But this is a little creature. They're all holding up. Wait, actually, if I had a pencil, wait, I do. I have one right here. So on these ones, there's like a little hole in the bottom, so you can put them on your pencil. So I can show you this. So here's the front and the back, and I'll show you the test tube. Okay. So let me go put this on there. Okay. So the next thing I have is this. My Little Pony is $2.50. I don't know what series this is. It's just the My Little Pony. Okay, so oops, let me see what we got here. Okay, I don't have Prismy Gilder. So here's the card. And it says, Gilds across the sky with his friends. For his friends. And then on the back it's just him and his friends. And then, what? Wait. He's not. What's his glasses? But here he is. Where is she? Oh, this is weird. Here's his cutie look. Okay, I have one thing I don't know if you guys probably know this, but it's this. This is a Pac-Man and the Ghost Adventures. It comes with 2 figures. This was $2. And I found those Frozen Figures things at the dollar store. I have 3 of them. What I have is Anna, Elsa, not the Frozen one, just regular Elsa, and Kristoff. So, this comes with a lot of stuff. So this is what it comes with. So you have to build this, but I think you build this. So I'll just put that stuff right here. But you get this little card thing. I have never done one of these things before, and I don't want to be missing pieces. Just shows you what we got. So I think we got I don't know what we got, but I'm gonna build him right here. So what you get is this little pack thing. So you might want your head and stuff. Building stuff is very fun, and it comes with instructions. Oh, now I know what this is for. The collection, plus it shows you how to build the stuff. So the guy we got is not here to build. He's not on the other side, so I don't know what we are building. Okay, so wait. Oops, let me just cut out this end. Sorry if this is like a long video, but I had to. So it looks like we put this thing. Okay, so we put this thing in here. Okay, so put that thing there. It's hard, but I'll do that last. But then we put this thing together. His arms, I think, go in there. So the thing that I don't like about this dude is that he's hard to build. It comes with like 1,000,000 pieces to me. And it comes with a lot of pieces. And then I have 2 things to build. It comes with 2 characters, a ghost and a guy. I'm glad I didn't buy 2 of these. This video would just be so long. So this is what we got so far. And now I'll try to put this thing on his head. hard and I might have just broke it. But then, second, he put his arms in. Oh, I just got my finger. Okay. Then we put his hands in. Oh, I forgot to put the other arm in. Okay, guys, so this is what we got so far. If you guys watch Pac-Man, let me know what this dude's name is in the comments, because I have no idea what this dude's name is. It's hard to build though. But he's so hard to build. Like I can't even build him. They're like figures, but you have to build them, so it's kind of hard. Maybe in another video I will not be doing these ever again, because I can tell that these guys are hard, but I love them. They're so cute though. Okay, he doesn't even do anything. He's just, to me, he's garbage. To other people, he might be cool. Let's just get on to the ghost. Okay, I don't care about that guy. So, for the ghost, we get two simple pieces that I wish he came with. We have these eyes, so we just put these eyes in, and then he comes with this. There he goes. Wait. Oh, I think it's this. Well, they come with the stand. Come with the stand. That's what I think. Or maybe it goes in the back. I don't know. And then, okay, I'm gonna try one more time to get this guy together. Okay, this is just garbage. Don't buy these, okay? Well, you might want to ask your mom or dad to help you put these together, because to me, I ask for help all the time. But, I'll see you very soon in another video. Oh, maybe it's because I'm putting it the wrong way. Okay, I'm gonna check this thing out, okay? Okay, so what it comes with. No, I'm right. That's right. Okay, so one more time. Okay, so don't buy these people, because I did it. Almost. And you can only put the arm one way. So I have complaints about these. The arms don't even stay on. So don't buy these Pac-Man guys, okay? We're not like this one. Well, it's a blind make, so I don't think you have a choice. Just don't buy them at all, because their arms just fall right off. See, so I got it. And it's just gonna fall right off after. And then here's this ghost dude that I don't know. The ghost dude. Oh, well, it came with this thing. So I think that's... Oh, here we go. Ghost dude. This dude. Here, I will get all of our things that we got today to show you. Okay, guys? So we got a lot today. In the comments, let me know what was your favorite. Oops, sorry. The My Little Pony. The trash bag dude with his test tube. Or the blur. Wait, I think the blur. Oh, wait. Before it, just the blur. Okay. Or that weird Pac-Man dude. This guy. And this guy. My favorite, I have to say, out of all of this, was this blurb. It hurts to get extra, but it's pretty fun. Yeah, I got slime. Don't eat it though. You know it smells good, just don't eat it. I got slime on myself. I got slime coming down my face. Okay. Bye guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.